If you would like to know my top 5 picks for dealing with pain naturally and actually helping to heal the underlying cause of the pain, you clicked on the right video. Hi, I'm Dr. Cori Stern, and welcome to my channel, Take Control of Your Health. If you're not a subscriber, if you're new and this is your first time watching, if you like this video and it helps you, please consider hitting the subscribe button, as that is my reward for putting out this information and trying to help as many people as I can take control of their health. So let's get into today's topic, which is pain. And pain is a huge topic because almost everybody experiences it at some point in their life. And it's something that I see on a daily basis. So if I see 30 patients in a day, at least 10 of them are going to have some kind of pain complaint. And pain can come from any part of your body. So a lot of people have joint pain, muscle pain, pain from injuries, pain from, let's say, their intestines. So a lot of this comes from inflammation. Arthritis can cause pain. Arthritis is inflammation, wear and tear of your joints. Inflammation in the gut, which so many people have right now, pulling a muscle or a ligament or a tendon, injuring yourself, all of that causes inflammation. So when you're dealing with pain, you're dealing usually also with inflammation. So there's a lot of myths about pain management that I want to talk to you about. And one of them is that taking an over-the-counter painkiller is a safe thing to do, that it's a good choice. That's not necessarily true. And that is what most people do. Over-the-counter painkillers still have side effects. In fact, acetaminophen, or paracetamol outside the US, brand name Tylenol, is the #1 cause of acute liver failure. Did you know that? A lot of these anti-inflammatories, over-the-counter anti-inflammatories, ibuprofen, which is also called Advil, Aleve, naproxen, these cause damage to your gut. And the other problem is that they're just suppressing the pain and the inflammation. They're forcing your body into an unnatural reaction, but they're not fixing what's causing it to begin with. Another myth is that when you have pain, you need to get rid of it. Pain is actually a crucial signal that something's wrong, and you shouldn't actually ignore it. Yes, I understand wanting to get out of the pain, but you need to figure out why it's happening so that you can fix it. And masking the pain is not necessarily the best choice. So when you take pain medication, it basically just blocks your pain signals. A much better approach would be to take some natural substances that reduce your inflammation without harming you in the process. So I'm going to go over with you my 5 favorite. There's so many supplements that I use for pain and inflammation on a daily basis, both for myself and my patients. But I'm gonna go over my top 5. If you go on my website, drcori.com, and you search under pain, you're going to see a lot more. There's a lot. There's a lot you can do for yourself. So let me screen share. And we're going to start with this one, turmeric. So a lot of people already know a lot about turmeric. A lot of people are using turmeric on a regular basis. Turmeric has natural anti-inflammatory properties. This particular formula is made with fenugreek. So one thing you need to know about turmeric is that it's not very bioavailable when you take it on its own. Traditionally, people have used fresh turmeric and cooking it in ghee, which is clarified butter. That's the way they do it in India, and then adding black pepper to it to make it easier for the body to actually utilize it. This particular formula is made with fenugreek. Fenugreek also makes turmeric more bioavailable. And the cool thing is that fenugreek has its own multiple health benefits. Fenugreek helps to control blood sugar. It actually helps to thin mucus. It helps women to with breast milk production, breastfeeding women. It can increase testosterone levels and sperm count. It plays a role in weight loss and appetite control. It helps you feel full more easily. It reduces fat intake for that reason. It's also anti-inflammatory. It has antioxidant properties. It has anti-cancer properties. And it enhances lean body mass. It enhances muscle strength and endurance in exercise. So this particular formula is a real powerhouse. So if you're somebody that does like to exercise and you're experiencing some joint discomfort or muscle, and you want to enhance your performance, reduce your inflammation and your pain, this is a beautiful choice. The next one I want to talk about is Boswellia. This happens to be one of my all-time favorite supplements for pain and inflammation. Boswellia is from the frankincense plant, and frankincense is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. It also happens to be anti-carcinogenic. This Boswellia also has in it celery seed, which is great for joint inflammation and pain, especially in your smaller joints like your fingers. It has ginger, which has multiple health benefits, and it also, as an added bonus, has some turmeric in it. So most of the stuff that I talk about, I take myself. I've been taking Boswellia for a long time. I really don't want to try living my life without it because I'm very active. My job is physical. Um, I'm on my feet most, except when I'm doing videos, I'm on my feet. I should start doing videos on my feet too. Okay. The next supplement that I want to go over with you, there's two of them. There's this guy and he has a sister. I don't know why I'm assigning them genders. It's just random. Okay. So this is called Ligaplex I. And this is great if you have soft tissue injury. So you sprain an ankle, you sprain a wrist, you pull a muscle, you pull a tendon, you have any kind of damage to your ligaments. What is a ligament, by the way? A ligament is it's almost like a rubber band that holds your bones together. And a tendon is like more like cartilage that attaches your muscle to your bone. So when you injure yourself very often, all of those structures get injured, your ligaments, your tendons, your muscles. This helps to repair and heal soft tissue injury. And it is really effective. So anytime you have musculoskeletal injury, I recommend that you try this. And then, like I said, the sister product is called Ligaplex II. And this is something that I use more for prevention. So it strengthens your connective tissue, your ligaments, your tendons, your joints. So you can take both if you are injured and then you want to start working towards prevention. I give my dog both. I give him Ligaplex I and Ligaplex II because he has a chronic elbow problem, and this helps him with that. But then I'm also trying to keep all the rest of his, he's senior, all the rest of his body parts strong. Okay, and there's one more, and that is called Cataplex ACP. So the word cataplex in this particular brand of supplement, standard process, kind of means vitamin. So it's a word that the founder of standard process developed because when he was making these products back in the 30s, vitamins really weren't that much of a thing yet. So the word cataplex is a combination of catalyst and complex, which all vitamins are actually both of those things. So Cataplex ACP has in it vitamin A, vitamin C, and bioflavonoids. Bioflavonoids are natural substances that are antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. They have a lot of health benefits, anti-cancer. So this supplement is really great for enhancing your tissue health. So any tissue in your body, your bone, your muscle, your joints, your ligaments, your tendons, even your organs. It also has a unique blend of advanced collagen peptides in it. And it can help with the repair process. It has other benefits as well. So it's anti-inflammatory. It has immune benefits. So we give this to people when they have colds and flus because vitamin A and vitamin C are really helpful with that. Because it strengthens tissue, it also strengthens your blood vessels. So it's good for capillary support for people that bruise easily, that have delicate blood vessels, for people who have bleeding gums. This helps strengthen the gum tissue. Because it's anti-inflammatory, it helps with conditions like chronic urinary tract infections. It helps to reduce the inflammation in the bladder. So it has so many different benefits. You know, of course, when it comes to pain, there are some basics. You know, you can't just take supplements, right? People are so programmed to just taking pills when something's wrong. And I want to get you out of that habit because the most important part of keeping your body strong is your nutrition. So eating clean, nutrient-dense foods, making sure that you correct nutritional deficiencies and imbalances is going to be more important than taking supplements. Getting enough sleep because you do most of your repair work in your sleep. In your deep sleep is when you produce human growth hormone, and that's what repairs damaged tissue. And then, of course, you can do other things like take hot Epsom salt baths. Epsom salt is actually magnesium. Magnesium helps reduce inflammation. You can, and hot water is very good for relaxing muscles. You can also apply magnesium topically. If you go on my website, drcori.com, I have choices of topical magnesiums. Topical magnesium, it's absorbed through the skin directly into the bloodstream. So it bypasses the gut. You don't have to digest it. Some people do get loose bowels from taking magnesium, and magnesium has so many health benefits. So all of these things that are important if you are experiencing pain or injury and you want to heal as quickly as possible. There's so many other things. I have a video about using a grounding mat. I have other videos on pain and inflammation. So there's a lot of different approaches. This is just one uh, one thought, five supplements that you should have in your supplement cabinet should the need arise or if you're currently experiencing inflammation. And don't forget, you can also reach out to me for a health consultation. I can put you on a natural health improvement program that can help you with pain and inflammation and any other health issues that you might be trying to handle naturally. I also have a very low cost customized supplement recommendation program. So if you don't want to go on a whole health improvement program that will take several months, you can just ask me for some recommendations. I'll send you a questionnaire with lots of questions that I need answered, and I can make some recommendations for you. If you go on my website, drcori.com, you can sign up for my newsletter, and I'll be sending out a newsletter on this topic. I send out every couple of weeks an informational newsletter on a different health topic. And I also always include a recipe that I consider clean, nutrient dense, and something that will add to your health and not detract from it. I hope this was helpful. If you did benefit from this video, please hit the like button. It helps more people to find it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And last and most importantly, please share this video with anyone you know who you think would benefit from the information. And I will see you again soon with more important health information. Until then, please stay healthy.